It is often said that imposing processes on an organization makes it more efficient, which is actually not true. Because if you look at this graphic, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a road, but there's also a river running through it. And people have this tendency that in cities, they always regulate rivers. They want them to flow nicely in a certain way. If you've ever been to Torun, you've seen the boulevards where everything flows smoothly, just as we planned it. And it's similar in our companies. We've planned out that something will flow just the way we imagined, that this process will work exactly in this area as we imagined. And as long as we're the links walking around and talking, it works. However, when a company starts to grow, and I have experience with this because our company, the one where I am on the management board, has several dozen salespeople in 7 countries, serving 8 markets in 10 languages, just following people around no longer works. And it's very good to prepare the organization for this way of operating from the very beginning, because otherwise you will create what's called technological debt. So yes, we keep walking around, working, adjusting this river so that it flows the way we want. But as soon as we look away for a moment, because we're already busy with something else, we can't spend all day following people around and telling them what to do. Something like this happens. The village spreads out. Everyone works in their own way. And I can't blame them, because for many years I was a salesperson too, and I also worked in my own way, because the organization couldn't channel its efforts. If we don't channel the efforts of the entire organization in one direction, it simply disperses and drifts off in all sorts of different directions.